Hi guys, thanks for joining us. My name is Aaron. I'm from Vogue Home Window Coverings and D-Takes Window Covering Manufacturing. We've been in the industry for about almost 10 years. Uh, we specialize in dual shades, or how everyone calls them, zebra blinds and roller blinds. Our manufacturing facility is located in Bolton, which is about 25 minutes here. We also have another showroom there as well, and obviously a showroom here in Improve. I'm not gonna bore you guys too much. If you guys have any other questions, you guys can ask me. I know a couple of the questions that I had ready have already been answered. I'll try to get in more depth through that, and we'll continue from there. So, first question was, is there remotely window coverings? Obviously there is. There's many options to choose from. We usually mostly deal with zebra blinds and shades and all that. So we do have these models available now. We usually sell more Wi-Fi products that people can use in their like smart home, like Crestron or Apple Home or Google Home, whatever you have. So why motorized blinds? For number one, as many of you guys would know, there's a new law with chains. So when it regards to child safety, it's more safe, if you want to say. It's easier to use. You can, say, "Hey Alexa, open my kitchen blinds," and bam, it will go up. In that sense, it's easier. Our motors, they come with a USB-C interface. So you can charge, I believe our motors, they charge in about full battery, about 10 to 15 minutes. And it gives you about 6 months of power, again, depending on how much you use and if the fabric is light or if it's heavier. Other than that, it is electrically powered. We do have 3 different options. Rechargeable is our more popular option. We have direct line, which is getting less and less popular because of the electrician fees and all that. And we have solar power, our least popular option because right now it's our solar power ones have like a little bit of it's kind of bigger, big panel that you put onto your window. So I find out a lot of my clients, they don't like that. So, but we do have the option.